Hey guys, it's Cindy and Toy, and we're going to be making bouncy balls.
Yeah, that's right, Charlie. We're going to be making magic bouncy balls by Creative Kids.
Whoa, that's so cool. Let's try it out.
All right, so they come with all these different molds. I'm doing this big one.
I'm doing this one.
All right.
Why don't you guys show how they came? You had to stick them together, right?
Yeah. So they were apart like this. Yeah. And then you put them together, and then so you snap them together. And then what you do is, you need help, Charlie?
Yeah.
All right.
Good big sister.
So what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be making the bouncy balls, and they will be out of this stuff. It's like,
it's
there are like crystals in here.
Like it's kind of look like sand, but colorful.
Yeah. And so what we're going to be doing is, let me check yours to make sure it's secure. Let me check yours. All right. And now, so all you're going to do, so pick your first color that you want to have on the bottom. I'm doing green and yellow.
Cindy, how am I going to do this? I'm going to do 3 colors.
All right, I'll help you. So first.
Why don't you guys make one at a time? Cut a little hole.
Here, I'll
No,
help you
how
first.
about I don't do the purple?
All right.
It'll be easier.
All right.
I'm going to do the blue first.
All right. You're going to hold this, okay? And then what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to cut this little.
And I want you guys to pour it over the paper towel, please, so we don't make a big mess.
Okay.
Here, why don't you move the water so you guys can see what you're doing?
All right, try to move the water. Okay. So I'm pouring this in.
Be careful.
How's it going, Sid?
Good.
Woo. Wow, that's so cool. Do we use the whole bag?
I don't think so because you still want to do pink, right?
Yeah, but
You hold this. All right, now what I'm going to do, we're going to put the pink in.
yeah, so we need more though, like to make it round.
No, it'll be okay.
Yeah,
We could put more at the end.
Whoa.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, it kind of looks like orange.
Yeah.
Is it full yet?
Not yet.
Oops.
I'm doing
That's
this.
why we have to nap.
And then we're going to do the rest pink.
Doing good.
So
You think it should be all the way full, Mom?
I think it should be up to like where that little opening is.
All right.
Wait, are we gonna put in the microwave or the oven?
Neither, honey. We're just going to dip it in that water. What do the directions say? They're on that box
All
right
right,
there.
Charlie, you hold that up. I'm going to do mine, okay?
Well, here,
So
Sid.
what we're pretty much
Don't
going to
you
do
need help?
is, what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the water. No, not yet.
Well,
And so yeah.
can
we
you
can
look
dip
and
it-
see what the time is for the water?
All right, for
I think
the
it's-
water, you should leave it in to about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out and leave it out and set it out for 15 minutes. First, I'm
Okay,
gonna do
so
mine.
here, why don't we do one bottle at a time just for the, because this
Okay.
video will get too long. So,
Okay.
okay. Alexa, set the timer for 2 minutes.
We have an Alexa. All right, so it's still sitting in the water, and it feels really rubbery and weird.
But you can't push too hard because it's like not
Yeah, it's
letting
still
it.
sitting in here.
Alexa hasn't gone off yet, right?
Yeah. And so, yeah, this is just gonna be sitting here for like
Probably
like
1 minute.
like
Wow.
two something minutes. Yeah.
Yeah. Like
And,
I think
and you
1
don't
minute.
you have to hold it in here for a long time.
Yeah,
You
and
don't
then-
just let it like just sit at the bottom. You don't let go of it, you just keep holding on to it.
Yeah, and I think it's been 1 minute, and then after it's been 2 minutes, we take it out and then let it sit in this bowl for
And then
like
for like
15,
15
minutes.
minutes.
Let's ask. Alexa, how much longer on the timer?
Oh my gosh.
Is she not plugged in?
Let me go ask.
Not yet.
Okay, good. Alexa's going off. Thank you, Alexa. Okay, so take it out. Alexa, stop. Okay.
It's a little weird.
We're still learning how to use Alexa.
All right, so we're just gonna start.
Alexa, stop!
I think you can open it up.
No, we have to wait. We have to wait a little bit. Mom,
Yeah,
it said to
for like
set it in
15
here for
minutes.
15 minutes.
Is that what it said?
Wait,
Here,
did you
let me
set
see
that?
here.
It
It says.
Mom, look. So take it out and set
Yeah.
it there for 15 minutes. Mom,
Okay,
look.
hold on. Remove the mold from the water and let it rest in the bowl for 15 minutes so the excess water will drain from the bowl. Okay, so we're going to have to wait for another 15 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for another 15 minutes, please.
Let me go see if she's doing it. Alright, so when we were waiting for this one and that one to like form,
So
we
now-
made some other ones and now we're going to open them.
Well, here, I would just open Charlie's because that's the one that was the first one that they made.
So yeah,
So it's been drying off for 15 minutes after waiting in the water for 2 minutes, right?
Need some help?
2 minutes in the water, 15 minutes drying off, and then what do we have to do? We have to wait for an hour and a half before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at it, guys.
Here, we gotta be careful. I'm scared. I don't want
It's okay. We got more powder. It comes with crystal powder. I don't know
what's
what
in it.
what that's made out of, but I'm assuming it's safe for kids.
I'll try not to. It's so hard to get them out.
Here.
Got it.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Can
All
we
right. So
save it?
no, we have to wait for.
It's got to dry for what, an hour and a half?
Yeah. Here.
We have to do like so many minutes, so many hours.
I'm gonna put this in here. Okay.
Okay.
Like,
So yeah, you need a lot of bowls waiting around, right?
yeah.
Should I open
Here,
mine?
let me just. Ooh, it is sticky.
Yeah, it is really sticky.
That's cool.
That is pretty cool.
And so should I open mine?
Okay.
Look at guys, it's so cool, isn't it? Sticky. Whoa.
I just made a yellow one because I don't know why. I just wanted to make a yellow one.
I thought that was like kind of like a greenish yellowish.
Yeah, it's like a neon color. All right, I'm gonna try to get it out.
Oh, come on. Whoa,
This
can I
is
see?
cool.
Can I see it? Whoa.
Sticky,
Look
but
at guys.
cool.
It's so sticky,
Like I can just imagine this going boing,
boing, boing.
But we gotta let them wait, right?
Yeah. Why
All
do we
right.
have to wait so much minutes?
Because it's gotta
All right.
fully dry. All right, so
we'll open these ones later.
Yeah, well,
This one was sort of an epic fail.
epic fail, but we might.
It might work.
Yeah.
you want to try opening it?
Wait, it's not the time yet.
Okay.
Wait,
all
should
right.
I open this? Should we try?
It's up to you.
All right, I'm just gonna try to.
So yeah, she has a cube one as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if this one bounces later.
Well, yeah.
This one's sticky. Oh wow, that is cool.
This one might be an epic fail. So I'm gonna try to open it. Oh, epic fail is turning out bad.
Honey, open it over the paper towel, please. Thank you, honey.
Sticky. This is so cool. Look,
Oh,
it's like
it's actually turning out not an epic fail.
so far. It might not. Trying to get it stuck.
Oh, guys, watch. Oh, guys.
Oh,
Yes.
that is so cool.
Oh, this is so cool. It's like a
coming.
pinkish, purplish, greenish. I was gonna do blue. I mean green and purple, but then Cindy was like, "Hey, you want some of my pink?" And then I was like, "Yeah, sure." And then she put it in there, and then we put green. This is not an epic fail.
Cool.
This is like the bestest.
All right, I'm putting
It's
that
like
in.
not an epic fail.
I'm
I'm not kidding.
Wow, these are so cool.
Sid, show how much more powder's left. How many more?
Yeah, it's a lot.
So they have a lot more powder to make a lot more bouncy balls. We're not going to get to all of them today, right?
Yeah.
No, we're not going to.
We
you
might
guys-
do a couple more videos of these making the bouncy balls, but I don't know, maybe.
All right. Well, why don't you guys thank everyone for watching?
Thank you. And maybe in another video we can show you how they bounce. So if you want to make these bouncy balls, then we'll put a link down below. And please like and subscribe. So bye.
Bye, love you guys.
Bye.